As I said in Beijing at the bilateral EU-China summit, the EU will continue to speak out in support of upholding international law, including when it comes to the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. The EU is a party of this convention and has full confidence in its proceedings and the judicial process of the Permanent Court of Arbitration in The Hague. And we acknowledge the award issued by the court. This is also clear from the EU statement issued by the EU High Representative yesterday. I hope the award is now used to create a positive momentum in finding a solution to the disputes in the South China Sea. Protecting a rules-based international society is fundamentally in everybody's interest. It's not so easy to agree with our Chinese partners when it comes to this issue, but our talks were difficult stuff, but also promising.